Exercise 5.2 for class 10 question number 8. எங்க வந்து you are given an AP last term given a number of terms வந்து 50, A3 third term is 12, you want to find A29. So A50 equal to 106 means A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 106. For n you are substituting 50. So A plus 49D equal to 106. Also you are given A3 equal to 12. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D நான் எழுத மறந்துட்டேன். So A plus 2D equal to 12. So from 1 and 2 equate the term you are finding the value of D. Substitute D equal to in any one equation you are getting A value equal to 8. After that you want to find A29. The question it is asked. So substitute A value and D value. For n you substitute 29. The answer is 64.